Tenny, get out of the car and take a look. Oh, it's a T-Rex. It looks injured. Gotta get down there and save it. Hey! The crane has arrived. Hey! Turn around. Crane, let's get Tenny down. Descent to the bottom of the cliff.
Okay!
Get out of the car and have a look. Poor T-Rex. Oh, it hurt the leg. Let me have a look.
Hey!
What should we do? T-Rex won't let me come close. Hey! The T-Rex is attracted to the drumstick. Tenny, let's go! There's a medicine cabinet here. Get the bandage. To wrap up the T-Rex. See? The T-Rex didn't notice it. Crane! Get the T-Rex up there. Be patient. Hook the noose. The T-Rex is hanging. The transporter has arrival. Load the T-Rex into the transporter. Let's get him to the hospital. Crane, get Tenny up there as well. Hook the noose. The excavator is also being brought up. The mission has completed. It's Tyrannosaurus Rex. It didn't find Burner. Almost caught. How to lead Tyrannosaurus Rex away. Got it! Use drumstick. It has been deceived. It ate the drumstick. Look! There's another drumstick. Oh, it's dangerous. Tyrannosaurus Rex fell into the trap. Oh no! Burner wants to steal dinosaur eggs. Tenny, stop and rescue it. Tyrannosaurus Rex, Tenny is coming. Adjust the position of Excavator. Hook up the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Come on, Excavator. Tyrannosaurus Rex, go and take a look at your nest. The dinosaur egg was stolen. Who did it? Tenny, help it find the egg. Will it hide in the river? Tenny, Jump into the water and look for it. Oh, there's nothing under the river. Let's go look elsewhere. Tyrannosaurus Rex has not been found either. Where exactly is the eggs? What's the sound? Hurry up and take a look. It's stolen by Burner. Excavator sends dinosaur egg back. Tyrannosaurus Rex, hurry up! Excavator finds the egg. Let's put down the egg. You have to keep an eye on your egg.
Excavator, put down the tree. It's down! Yeah! Now let's wait for Transporter. Look, it's Transporter. Huh? Elephant? Great! Oh no! Transporter's stuck in the mud pit. Teddy, please help it! Hey! Drive Excavator and go! Teddy's at the sea. Teddy, get off and have a look. Excavator, go to drag it out. Hook the carriage. Come on, Excavator. Wow! Excavator is amazing! Huh? I have an idea! Excavator, catch the elephant! Tie up the elephant. Done! Crane, drive over here. Stop! Stretch the supporters to the ground. Then raise the boom. It has been lifted up. Put it on the carriage. Retract the boom. Retract the supporters too. Crane finished its task. Excavator, I appreciate your work. Take the elephant to a safe place. Transporter, stop here. Please remove it. The task has been completed. Just stay here, elephant.
It's Tyrannosaurus Rex. It didn't find Burner. Almost caught. How to lead Tyrannosaurus Rex away. Got it! Use drumstick. It has been deceived. It ate the drumstick. Look, there's another drumstick. Oh, it's dangerous. Tyrannosaurus Rex fell into the trap. Oh no, Burner wants to steal dinosaur eggs. Tenny, stop and rescue it! Tyrannosaurus Rex! Tenny is coming! Adjust the position of Excavator. Hook up the Tyrannosaurus Rex! Come on, Excavator! Tyrannosaurus Rex! Go and take a look at your nest! The dinosaur egg was stolen! Who did it? Tenny, help it find the egg! Will it hide in the river? Tenny, jump into the water and look for it! Oh, there's nothing under the river. Let's go look elsewhere. Tyrannosaurus Rex has not been found either. Where exactly is the eggs? What's the sound? Hurry up and take a look. It's stolen by Burner. Excavator sends dinosaur egg back. Tyrannosaurus Rex, hurry up! Excavator finds the egg. Let's put down the egg. You have to keep an eye on your egg. The transporter is transporting the stones. Be careful. Oops! The transporter has a flat tire. The bulldozer is going through here, but the transporter blocked the road. Don't be afraid. The rescue team is coming. Tenny, get out of the car. Oops, the tire is completely broken. Tenny, get ready for new tires. Hey, let's find the tools. I have found it. Hey, the jack will work as well. Put it under the car. Tenny, roof the delivery truck. Hey, 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 hey. Oh my! The jack is broken! Maybe the stone was too heavy. Got to get rid of it first. The excavator has hooked the front of the car. The bulldozer was pushing behind.
Okay!
Are you ready? Here we go! Stop right here. Thanks to the bulldoze. The transporter will unload the rock. Go get new tires. Put your head up first. Step forward and take off the broken tire. Hey! Get the new tires. Put it here. It's time to put the new tires on. Lift the new tire.
Thank you.
Put it on. Wow! Finally installed! Put the transporter down. Put the stones back in the carriage. Hook up a rock. Put in the carriage. Hook up another piece. Put it in.
Okay.
See you next time. Oh no! The truck is being chased by the T-Rex. There's one ahead. What should we do? What should we do? Ah! The truck was knocked around. T-Rex can't reach. Help me! Is anybody there? It looks like Tenny and an excavator. Tenny, go check it out! Oh, it's a truck! We need to call the rescue team. Truck, someone will be with you soon. Crane has arrived. Extend support leg. Tenny, prepare to go down. Hey! Turn around. Lifting boom. Hook the excavator. Lower the excavator to the bottom of the cliff. Crane mission has completed. Tenny, let's move. Oh my, the tires are broken. Hey! The truck can't move without tires. Hey! Crane! Put the hook down. Hook the truck. Take it easy. Look, the transport is here. Put the truck on the carriage. Take your time and be careful. All right, let's take it to the garage. Crane, lift us up too. Tenny, get ready. Hook the rope. Lift the excavator. Let's go home. What's Burner doing here? Truck, Burner is there. Be careful. Oops, Burner is a setting trap. Brake! Oh, truck fell into the trap, finally. It's hateful of Burner's trap. Truck, can you try to climb out? No, I can't. What's Burner doing? It is rearranging the trap. It's hateful. Tenny, there's a trap ahead. Stop! Luckily, Excavator stopped. No, Burner is making trouble.
Tyrannosaurus Rex! Tenny, try to get the truck out. Come on, harder! Tyrannosaurus Rex comes. What should we do? The hateful burner. Don't worry, Excavator is great. Come on, Excavator! Yeah, Excavator won. Burner gets angry. Run, Burner! Tenny, let's rescue the truck. Hook the rear. Pull it up. Oh yeah! The truck is saved. Truck caught Tyrannosaurus Rex baby. Take care. Oh no! It is discovered by Tyrannosaurus Rex. Stop! Truck! Attention! Oh, the wooden cage is about to drift away. Look! Tyrannosaurus Rex is chasing! But it can't reach it. What should I do? Truck! Look! It's an excavator coming over. Tenny, stop it quickly! We can push down this tree and stop it. Go! Push down trees. Come on, excavator! Tenny saw the wood off. Excavator, try it now! Yeah! We pushed it down. Tenny, salvage the wooden cage onto the shore. Extend the bucket. Retrieve the wooden cage. No! Tyrannosaurus Rex is here! Tenny, let the Tyrannosaurus Rex baby come out! It is so scared. Don't worry, your mother is here. No! Truck is still in water! Tenny, go to pull up truck! Drive the excavator! Tenny, pull truck up! Hook the wheel! Come on, Tenny! Pull is ashore! Truck, are you okay? It seems all right. Let's go home! Truck arrived at the dock. Tenny, please load the drums. Put them carefully. Huh? What's the noise? cloudy. It seems going to rain. Let's be quicker. Done! Truck, you can take them away. Thunder and lightning ahead! Truck, take care! No! A huge lightning! No! Truck is out of control! Truck, are you okay? Tenny, truck needs help. Oh no! The fire quickly spread. Move to the river and put it out. Push down the oil drum. It's finally out. Look! Truck is dirty now. Excavator, please clean it. Tenny, go to help it. Tenny uses a sponge. Scrub. Okay. Oh, I can't rinse the foam. Pump comes. Hose connected. Are you ready? Wow, it's clean now.
Look! Excavator is digging a pit. Pile the dirt here. Wow, that's a lot of dirt. Excavator, be careful. Oh no! The barn's gonna fall! Ha! Luckily I am safe! Oh no! Excavator, run away! Oh, what should we do? There's no way for Excavator! Come on, Excavator! The barn's finally stopped!
Hey! Wow!
Yeah! Look! Excavator is too tired. Oh, it's falling apart. What should we do?
Huh?
Oh, got an idea! We can use these steel pipes to build a new steel frame. Truck, unload the steel pipe.
Hey-ya!
Tenny is going to build the frame. Put them together. It's done! Yeah! Excavator, come to help!
Yeah!
Look, the frame is done. Crane has also arrived.
Hi!
Lift up the barn. Extend the supporters. Raise the boom.
Hook the barn. Hold the crane. Excavator, give it a hand. Oh yeah! It's finally done! Crane completed its task. Look, the barn is now secure. Truck caught Tyrannosaurus Rex baby. Take care. Oh no! It is discovered by Tyrannosaurus Rex. Stop! Truck! Attention! Oh, wooden cage is about to drift away. Look! Tyrannosaurus Rex is chasing! But it can't reach it. What should I do? Truck! Look! It's an excavator coming over. Tenny, stop it quickly! We can push down this tree and stop it. Go! Push down trees. Come on, excavator! Tenny saw the wood off. Excavator, try it now! Yeah! We pushed it down. Tenny, salvage the wooden cage onto the shore. Extend the bucket. Retrieve the wooden cage. No! Tyrannosaurus Rex is here! Tenny, let the Tyrannosaurus Rex baby come out! It is so scared. Don't worry, your mother is here. No! Truck is still in water! Tenny, go to pull up truck! Drive the excavator! Tenny, pull truck up! Hook the wheel! Come on, Tenny! Pull is ashore! Truck, are you okay? It seems all right. Let's go home!
Look! It's a transporter! It was pulling a cart full of rocks! Huh? Is the wooden bridge strong enough? Give it a try! Come on, transporter! Oh no! The transporter collapsed the wooden bridge. It's stuck here! Huh? Who's there? It looks like an excavator. Tenny, get the transporter now. Hook the nose. Carry on, excavator. Oh no! The excavator can't handle it. The crane came in as reinforcements. Hold the ground. Lifting boom. Drop the hook. We count on you, Crane. Hang on, Crane. Got to get rid of some rocks. Excavator, ready? Lift the excavator. Put into the river. Tenny, move the rock. Move the rocks out. There's one more. We need to get rid of the rocks here. Wow, we have finished the cleaning. Crane, bring up the excavator. Put it on the ground. And the transporter. Lower hook. Come on, Crane. Put on shore. Let's get the transporter out of here. Tenny, keep cleaning the rocks. Crane hoisted it into the river.
Excavator is cleaning the garbage in the river. Excavator, wait a moment. Truck is coming. Prepare your receiving bucket. Excavator, throw it up.
Hey!
Truck, you are excellent. Excavator continues cleaning. Try to throw it up.
Hey!
1, 2, 3. Truck, take them away. It seems to be raining. Let's speed up.
Okay.
Oh no! It's raining now. It seems not good. Hurry up, Excavator! Oh, what should I do? Excavator is in danger. It's critical. What should we do? Look, truck is back. With a cart of stones. Truck, block the gap with stones. Hey-ya! Look, the flood is receding. Fortunately, the gap was blocked on time. Good job, truck! Excavator continues working. Hook up the broken bucket. Truck, go to take the garbage away. Excavator, throw it up.
Okay.
Hey!
1, 2, 3. Get it! Truck, take the garbage away.
Okay.